The Starchitect once said, "If you expect a shoebox design from me, you will be disappointed." Imagine your life in front of one of the Metro's most sophisticated scenes, the Rockwell Center. Designed by the world-renowned architect Carlos Ott, the Proscenium is set to lead in providing high-quality luxury residences in the Philippines. Adding 3.6 hectares to the Rockwell Center, a pedestrian walk bridge will connect Power Plant Mall to the Proscenium. The Proscenium will serve as an expansion of the Rockwell lifestyle, continuing the promise of comfort and convenience to all its residents. With a name inspired after a performing arts theater that will stand within the complex, 5 world-class residential towers in distinctive design will rise to complement Rockwell's glimmering skyline. The Kirov, Sakura, and Lincoln will be the first 3 towers to rise at the Proscenium. Prioritizing privacy, residents can enjoy the exclusivity of their living space similar to Rockwell Center's prestigious Rizal Tower and Luna Gardens, where main doors are separated from service passageways for larger units. With only an average of 4 units to a floor, enjoy your living space with expansive balconies that broaden your living room for time spent with family, entertaining guests, or simply appreciating the fantastic view of the city. Inside your bedroom, enjoy the luxury of space as your walk-in closet flows into a sanctuary of natural stone surface floors that touch your feet, and enjoy the warmth of a relaxing bath in your very own tub. Rockwell's uncompromising standard building features marry form and function, with high-speed elevators in every tower and louvered utilities for private drying areas. Safety and security for residents are assured through automatic fire detection alarms, electronic access control, and CCTV monitoring systems. The Proscenium is equipped with 100% standby emergency power, which guarantees peaceful sleep throughout tough weather conditions. And as Rockwell strongly upholds the safety and order within its neighborhood, a street expansion development plan surrounding the Proscenium will ensure residents of smooth traffic flow. Premier living goes beyond your exclusive unit at the 5th level. An exquisite landscape of almost a hectare in size will captivate your senses and relax your mind. Hold special celebrations in the Great Lawn or splash around pools of immense size and retreat to conversations by island bars. And when the weather is great, simply savor moments of childhood as you get a glimpse of children enjoying their afternoons at the play area close by their grand lawn. Experience Rockwell Center's landscape at the Proscenium's amenity deck and relish every bit of it as your own. Flowing from the amenity level's floating rivers are breathtaking waterfalls that await your guests by the entrance of an elevated lobby drop-off, making the Proscenium your very own sanctuary in the city. Take a peaceful stroll off your lobby for an appreciation of the finer things in life at the Performing Arts Theater, drawn by the hand no less than Carlos Ott. A first in the Makati area, the 600-seater theater will be home to world-class cultural performances. Situated nearby will be the Lopez Museum, as well as an exceptional facade of shops and restaurants that will surround the theater, completing a fulfilling experience of art, culture, and cuisine. Groundbreaking design and only the highest quality standards mark the stellar rise of the Proscenium, paving the way for the next generation of premium Rockwell skyscrapers. With the combined efforts of Ott and Rockwell Land, the future looks bright. Taking its first step forward with the Proscenium, the next generation Rockwell sets out to create a new breed of innovative luxury residences that are shaping the future of high living in the Philippines. In just 18 years, we've created a glimmering horizon. Now, we set the stage for an even more dramatic change.